You may well have seen me use this product, Sugru, before. It's a mouldable glue that sticks to nearly anything. And after 24 hours, it turns into a strong, flexible rubber, so you can use it for all sorts of things. Last month, Sugru ran a 31 Days of Fixing Things campaign. Today, I'm going to look through some of these ideas and give you my favourite 15. So let's get started. You can help protect your mobile phone by giving it Sugru bumpers on the corners. It makes it look rugged, and it really works. If you haven't got any storage in your shower, you can use Sugru to help. We're fixing these plastic hooks to the tiled wall using only Sugru, no drilling needed. And making a hook here too. After 24 hours, they're stuck solid. So you can hang your storage basket and use the hook. Now you've got space for your bottles. If you've got a broken zip, here's how to fix it. Use a paperclip, string, or wire, thread it through the zipper, and use Sugru to make a nice moulded handle. Smooth it, and leave it to dry. And your zip now has a handle again. Now this is really cool, especially for this time of year. If you've got a hole in your wellies, you can sort of smudge some Sugru over it. Rub it in, wait for it to dry, and it's a really good little repair. Flexible and totally waterproof. Sugru is great for fixing toys. Use some white Sugru here to fix the eye back together. You can get really creative with Sugru and old toys, putting things together and fixing them. If you have an accident and break a vase, you could do a really stylish repair with Sugru. If you've got clothes that slide off a hanger, you can use Sugru to make your own hanger grips. Another great tip. If you've got too many cups in your cupboard or piling up on the side, you can use Sugru to make hooks stuck directly onto your tiles. After 24 hours, you've got a new cup holder. If you like cooking and you follow recipes on a tablet, you do have to be careful not to get it messy. You can take 3 balls of Sugru, then wrap your tablet in cling film, mark on the wall where to position it, then make 3 Sugru hooks. Curl them around the tablet, so they look like this. Leave them to set and remove the cling film from your tablet. And there you go. You can either follow recipes or watch something while you're cooking. Now this is a really nice idea. If you've got an old teapot, you can use Sugru to attach the lid to the pot like this. Use some tape to hold it in place while it sets. Then hang it up outside on a tree and use it as a novel bird feeder. I really like that. If you've got a broken saucepan lid, it works really well at fixing that too. This is a really good tip. You can use Sugru, make some balls, and stick them to the inside of a kitchen cupboard door. Mould it around a saucepan lid to make some hooks. You can colour coordinate the hooks to the saucepan lid, then use it to store your lids nice and neatly. It makes them really accessible and stops them cluttering up the cupboard. Brilliant! Now here's a clip from a Sugru video which I made a while ago. You can take a kitchen utensil, apply some Sugru to the back of the handle, then take a metal washer and stick it on. Do this with a whole load of utensils and leave them to set. When the glue has set, you can hang the utensils from one of these magnetic strips, even though they're not metal. Pretty cool, huh? It helps to organise your kitchen and keeps your utensils nice and accessible. If you've got one of these saucepans with a metal handle that conducts the heat and gets very hot, you can use Sugru to help. Let the pan cool down, take some masking tape and put a ring around the front and the back of the handle. Then take some Sugru and wrap it around the handle in between the tape. I removed the lid and made sure it covered underneath too. If you like, you can wrap a worm around it like this and mould it into the rest. Use some water to help smooth it out all over. Then, when you're done, remove the masking tape. I did the same sort of thing with the lid. Smoothed it all over and left them to set. After 24 hours, you should have a nice, grippy, heat-proof handle. And when you cook with it, you'll be insulated from the metal so you don't get burnt. It really works well, and it's a great tip. If you've got a set of favourite headphones that you love, but accidentally snap the lead, you can repair them using Sugru. First, carefully strip the insulation off. Inside you should have two groups of wires. I've got one set which look copper and the other which look red. Separate them out on both ends. Then use a match to burn off the insulating varnish. Reconnect the wires the right way around by wrapping them together, and use some insulation tape to separate the two connections. Hold it all together with some more tape. Then I used some black Sugru to cover the whole joint. This will both strengthen and insulate it. After 24 hours, disaster averted. The headphones work again. It feels strong and durable, and it's a really good fix. It was hard to choose a favourite, they're all such good tips. So what would you use Sugru for? You can let me know in the comments below. Have you got anything that needs fixing or adapting? If you want to buy some Sugru, you can get 15% off for the next 2 weeks by entering the code DaveHax15 at the checkout. There's a link in the description below. But do hurry, it'll only work for 2 weeks. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.